Here's a demo of this Grip Spritz right here. And it also comes with this mitt towel, so you'll stick your hand in here and wipe off the shoe after you spray it. So we'll just do a little demo right here. Spray the shoe. Get it on there pretty good. And then give it a good wipe with the towel here. It's not meant to, make it perfectly clean, but it'll clean it a bit and then leave behind some stickiness, so the sole of your shoe will stick better on the court. So not necessarily a ton to see. You can see it cleans it a little bit, but really it's the leftover kind of stickiness that stays on the bottom that helps you grip the court. So very easy to use, very easy to apply. Comes with a rag to help you apply it. So solid little product right here. I think you'll be happy with it, and I think your shoes will be a lot stickier on the court.